Something's not right. Something's not right. Something's not right.
No, that was that front wheel. You got a flap?
Oh, where's your flap? How you turn your flap?
Oh!
How you turn your flap off?
Oh!
There we go.
Well.
Watch the kids, watch your kids, watch your kids.
Whoa, one. Whoa. What are you doing, man? You like contesting the integrity of those landing gears, don't you?
Like, no, I need a little bit more up elevator, I think. There we go.
You have to fly slow. No, that's not a slow plane. You have to put the flaps down.
Yeah, it don't like to go slow, does it? Well, that was the idea, but I think I'm a little long.
Hey, I want to do a touch and go in the water. Let me have that.
All right, hold on. Where are you at? How's the trim fly?
Which way is the wind blowing? What are you doing?
Did you go in the water?
Oh! You put it on that
No,
one.
it will not do it, Jim.